How to change Candy Crush profile picture. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change or update our profile picture on Candy Crush. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can directly head over to Candy Crush first, and once you are there, you should be finding this where you can play games according to the levels. So in order to change your profile picture, right now I have this chimpanzee looking thing on my profile picture. But if you want to change your profile picture, maybe your own face. So for that, you can head over to the settings at the top, and when you are here, you should be finding this menu appear. From this menu, you can directly head over to my account option. Once you are there, you should be finding this on your screen. So in order to change your profile picture, you can either sign up with your email and continue with Facebook if you want. So what happens is, if you have a profile picture of your own on your email address or your Facebook account, when you continue with them or connect your Facebook or your email with your Candy Crush, it will automatically set up to the same profile picture that you have used in your Facebook. So for that, you need to give access to Candy Crush. So when you go ahead and request access, it says it will also access your name and profile picture, your email address associated with your Facebook, and your friend list. So if you want your profile picture to be added on Candy Crush, you need to have a profile picture on Facebook. You can just continue with the process. And when you do that, your profile picture should be updated in your Candy Crush. So that is how you update your Candy Crush profile. And thank you for watching this video.